As the capital's air quality dips to 3-year low and Delhiites are gasping for breath, odd even is back in the capital for its round 3. On the first day today, only even-numbered vehicles are allowed. The scheme is applicable from 8 am to 8 pm till November 15th and will not be effective on Sunday, November 10th. And the rules will also apply to vehicles with registration number of other states. The Delhi government has exempted all the two-wheelers and emergency vehicles. The vehicles carrying school kids and women are also exempted from the road rationing scheme. 29 categories of vehicles, including those of President, Prime Minister, emergency and enforcement vehicles, have been exempted from the scheme. The penalty for the violation is Rs 4,000, which is twice of Rs 2,000 which was levied earlier. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and his cabinet is also following the odd-even scheme and opted for carpooling with his ministerial colleagues Satyendra Jain and Gopal Rai today.
आज से ऑड इवन शुरू किया है और मुझे बेहद खुशी है। सुबह 8 बजे आज शुरू हुआ था, तो पूरे दिल्ली से जो रिपोर्ट आ रही है लगभग 100% इसका पालन हो रहा है। दिल्ली के लोगों ने जम के इसका समर्थन किया है।
While the Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia left for office on a bicycle from his residence in Delhi on the first day of this scheme. As the Delhiites battle toxic air, the scheme is getting mixed reactions from residents.
To my mind, I think idea is okay of doing odd even, but I think we've been seeing since last 4 or 5 years the construction activity being closed only for 4 or 5 days. That's not enough. I think the month of November and December in Delhi, there should be no construction activity permitted. The builders and other people who have to construct the houses, they have to keep these 2 months free, so that whatever the pollution level is coming up mainly at present because of the stubble burning, this will be obviated to some extent.
Delhi government has roped in 500 extra buses for different routes to accommodate maximum commuters. App-based cab providers like Uber, Ola will also avoid any kind of price surging during the entire odd-even scheme. Over 600 teams of Delhi Traffic Police and Transport and Revenue departments have been deployed for a strict implementation of the scheme across the city. While the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal claims that the previous odd-even scheme led to a pollution reduction of up to 15% according to a study by University of Chicago, it will be interesting to see if this time too the scheme actually brings some respite to Delhiites.